We are starting off with the United States, which is bracing itself for another summer of extreme heat, hurricanes, droughts and wildfires, threats that are all escalating as a result of climate change. Weather authorities in Southwest America have raised an alarm of a dangerous and deadly heat wave in the coming few days. With this, over 30 million people, mainly the residents of California, Nevada and Arizona, have been put under heat alert. They have all been warned to expect dangerous conditions for the coming weekend and have also been advised to stay indoors as much as possible with air conditioning on. Inland and desert areas of California will be particularly hot on Friday as well as Saturday. While the tourist city of Palm Springs is expected to hit 45 degrees, officials say that California's Death Valley, one of the hottest places on earth, is expected to beat its 90s heat record this weekend. Heat waves and temperature variations are a natural part of the climate, but scientists say human-caused global warming is creating a greater number of extreme events, sometimes with devastating consequences. Remember, in June last year, a heat dome sat over the western United States and Canada. The intense temperatures and worst in a millennium drought that gripped the region led to numerous fires and deaths. Even this year, with the threat of a heat wave coming closer, leaked data showing that California lacks the number of required firefighters for the season. As per the report published by an American news outlet, California still has about 1,200 full-time openings. The lack of fire personnel is not new to America. This has been a problem for quite a few years now. But 2 years ago, there were mass resignations by the essential workers due to frustration over low pay, inadequate benefits, poor living conditions, as well as an extreme toll on their mental and physical health in the backdrop of longer and more intense fire seasons. Even though state officials say that their hiring spree is going on well, the reality on the ground says otherwise. The data shows there are gaping holes across all levels and specialities of California's Forest Service force. In fact, the vacancy rates are the highest in lower to mid-level roles. They are the long-time employees who have been described as the backbone of the system because they are critical to actively suppressing and stopping the fires. Even though the fire season is yet to begin in California, the state has already witnessed dozens of damaging wildfires in May, while extreme drought has put limitations on its water resources. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.